guys, and welcome again. Today we have a new Kodi Addon release in the 12th of January 2018. It's called Gaia. Gaia is a new Kodi Addon for streaming movies, TV shows, documentary, and etc. So let's go to check it before I show you how to install Gaia Addon on your Kodi. Okay, now I show you how to install Gaia Addon on your Kodi. Just follow my steps. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell. Give me a thumbs up if you liked my video and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in comments, and thank you for watching my video. First, we should go into Settings and System Settings. Go to Add-ons and enable unknown sources. Click yes. Go back. Go to File Manager. Add source. Click here. We should going to the official website for Gaia. Click at install Gaia. Copy this link and paste this link here. Click OK. Write any name here. Click OK. Go back and go back again. Go to Add-ons. Click at this box. Install from zip file. Go to Gaia and click at this file. Waiting some seconds to install this repository. It's installed now. Now we should go into install from repository and go to Gaia repository 1. Video add-ons, Gaia. Click install and waiting to install this add-on. Okay, it's installed now. Go back and it's here. Thank you for watching my video and see you in my next video. Bye bye.